Okay, I want to talk about this. Arnold, you are Schwarzenegger, you actor the movie, but I know you belong to Pablo, the black hair, and Mary, the God. Well, all I can tell you, I don't like to come to you to claiming the brother. I know about you. I don't want to closer to you. But these people, they contact you is Duna Magallones. Is a crazy woman that Duna Magallones. And all I can tell you, you better come over here. I told you that one before. You're gonna come over here, belong this Aris and Lucia, this area, and the original, the land, the business. I lock for good over here and nobody take over. And the pink house is down already, Arnold, but it's still good. The K Mary is still good. But the church Mary is still good. But the problem, many people right there, they hung up the crazy woman, that Juna Magallones. And I need your help. Why? Father Pablo, Church Mary. And my mother, Mary, Church, right there, they hung up that Juna crazy woman before. They take over the Pablo Harrison. They take over the Love's Bakery. They moving Love's Bakery, that Meadow Street, belong Lucia and Ares. I opened the business, Arnold, because I found the business. The business, the copy only, I threw away because I got original. That's before. But no matter what is before, and this a gold digger get jealous to me, get jealous that Pablo, the Abraham Lincoln Jr., did take care of the business, belong to me. And my father was struck down me, was the Philippines, 81, gun is Lucia. And why? They punish me that Pablo White. Why? Somebody say that Lucia was outside and they lying about it. And no like the Pablo White, that why somebody said that talking you not belong Pablo, they kidnap you. That's Pablo very scared at the time, and I don't give it the money dollar to Pablo because Paula want to kill me the time, and Pablo no like kill me because know already that billions of money got that woman Filipina and got that Lucia all the time. Now I'm a big now, I know already. You have to remember what you talking to me before, and you no more memory the time, and you just go to New York. And this do na magalyones ang follow you, that powers the God, that know that gods, that do na magalyones is a fuck a whore. They destroy the Ababa family. Na John Rambo, and why you Arnold, you're not listening that father talking to you the brain. I was talking to you the brain to talk Maria face. Father Pablo is a black here. Now stare the $5 bills. Is stare. Same thing that your mouth. Now you better take over the labs bakery. They got the problem. Why does he know where is the money dollar billion belong the Aris? The Aris no more memory. Alexandra is the name, no more memory. But I don't like attack over there to saying I claiming na. I don't like that one. I'm Maria face Ababa family. I got people from, and this Aunt Alexandra, no like wow, well, that's Alexandra. No more memory between the Aris and Philip the time standing by the door. That's before Alexandra. That's before. But why you're not claiming that you are real Ababa family and you was actor? You was actor and you know like this family is broken family already. Why you you got your Alan and your brother black hair you don't have. Alan belong that to you too. Ababa family, why grandma is a white, grandpa is a black hair. Now you have to remember many Ababa family. They carry that one by alias get in that movie. Actor the movie, actor whatever that one alias. But for me, I'm not using the alias. real, my name I'm using too. I don't like the actor, I don't like the movie because I love the dance. I don't like do that to go movie or something. I love watching that movie. But for you, big miss, the Ababa family over here. Run, and no like fight the right. Run, and that's it, no more memory. Nga, they kidnap the Donna. Now, why is Donna following the Arnold? How to come the Arnold? Why? Text, come just like that, come the Arnold, just like that, come other people, just like that, come the actor, the young, the restless. And why? Just go the Rome the Nikki, that's it. Rome the Rivashin, that's it. That's the one told you. The using the powers the God takes and the locking the password registered. And Donna, very clever woman, this Donna. You take over the military and the identity theft. They can go the President boss, the United States. Look at the President boss. Was that Donna Magallones. Now you better pull out Arnold. Why? The time Arnold, Maria, the president, is the time no more the United States of America. I got the United States America together the Duna copy the time. And passport together copy the Duna again. Very clever the Duna is telling my passport and the copy over here my house. Why? I'm using the business over here. And they take over the Duna code that I was working and they put me hard job the Labs Bakery and take over the Labs Bakery. Does he know about the business, the document? I got the document. I got document all over the business of our family. And why they kidnap the Pablo and why they kidnap me? Pablo White, no, already on my right hand that Pablo and Mary before. That's why I don't give it Pablo. Why Pablo no already got the billions money. I don't give it the Pablo White. Oh. What you done the Pablo White? The traitor my family. Now right now, Lucia is a big mouth, but I'm not scared to you, Jason Handsome. They pay you the Duna the $100,000 to kill Reichenbach and the daughter. That daughter no belong to me. Belong the Macrae. The Macrae that police the Hawaii. They pull out that before. Belong the demon Lucifer. Belong demon Lucifer and Mary. But Mary no claiming why is a virus. No claiming that Macrae that police the Hawaii. Now you Duna. You are your face a white woman. You same thing your father. Look at you, Donna, you a whore. You don't have money dollar. All you do, take care of business, Donna. You don't have money now. Big problem. The Labs Bakery because of you. Now you hang up the Pablo. Pablo is still billion. Next time you take over, you should have the money dollar billions your hands. You take over the money dollar, you just stealing the money dollars and stealing identity theft who got the money to get in the job and stealing the account, the president. And you hurry withdraw to pay the dollars to kill Lucia Ababa. You hurry why you know already exactly Lucia belong the business and you hurry take over the exhibit B. I'm a real billionaire, Donna. You're nothing to me, and I don't talk that video before, Donna. Now, which one first gonna attack the Lucia? Believe me, Donna, you mind if you attack me. The people to you, me, Donna, I don't pay the money dollars to track down you. I know already about you, and I know already that Jason Handsome. And I know about your son that you put that martial art. And you talk, kill it, son, kill it. You're not a billionaire, Donna. A billionaire Donna, why you handcuff the Pablo Abraham Lincoln Jr.? You handcuff Donna, you take over here, and Pablo, your father, White Harrison, take care of that Lucia. Now, right now, Donna,